Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the second edition of Italy Corporate Day by Euroland Corporate. I'm so pleased to be here today with Enrico Meneghetti, the CEO of ESPE SpA, which is one of the leading European group in renewable energy sector. So thank you for being here.
Thank you and good morning.
Thank you. Let's say to start off well the interview, why don't you describe us a little bit the company more into detail? So what's your core business, the sector you're in?
Yes, ESPE is a group of company that is active since many decades in the energy sector and energy services.
Okay. And of course, you have shown during these past years, so you have, let's say, changed a lot because you have completed a lot of acquisitions, a lot of partnerships as well. So we have Permatech, we have Rigoni, Soland as well. So a lot of acquisitions. So of course, you changed your face a lot and you have integrated the company along the entire value chain. So you became a well integrated player, let's say. So what can we say that integration is probably your main competitive advantage, and what are the strategic initiatives and leverages that you're actually using, to maintain this competitive advantage and to strengthen it in the medium long term?
Yes, we can say that it is one of our competitive advantage. Our aim is to be a rock solid reference for our customers, which are mainly investors in the energy sector. The process since development of a plant until the operation and maintenance in the long term is a path with many adversities, we can say, and ESPE in this situation wants to be, the reference. So being present in every phase, in every main phase of the value chain, wants to be, this anchor for the customers in order to be there.
Okay.
As long as the future is referred, our aim is to become more and more efficient ourselves and towards the system. So we want to eliminate each and every gap that exists between every phase of the process. Usually our competitors are very vertical companies that are focused on their piece of the chain, and this creates some gaps, and those are risks for the customers. We want to be in every phase and want to eliminate every gap. So we want to create a more a safer environment and a more productive environment that is giving a bigger added value for the customers and for ourselves.
Okay, that's clear. And in order of, let's say, in terms of business and development, I see that of course you're investing a lot in the agrivoltaic business, and photovoltaic itself, I think, represents more than 90-95% of your backlog right now. So probably photovoltaic is probably the main growth driver for the company, But it's really evolving and rapidly evolving market. So what do you think right now, in your view, what are the main market opportunities that you can actually seize in this market?
Yes, actually, photovoltaics are, as you said, the vast majority of our backlog. This is still growing, so we keep our focus on the photovoltaic sector, but some new opportunities are coming up. For example, the BESS systems, so the batteries and the storage, both integrated or standalone, and it's coming the time when the plants that we built 20 years ago are ready to be refurbished. So we are seeing an evolution of the requests, to start to think of the new life for those plants, and this is also something we are keeping under attention.
Okay. So of course, we've been seeing that you have demonstrated good results, that you're doing things, of course, good, because numbers are speaking for yourself, we can say, because definitely 2024 was great. H1 2025 was an excellent period as well, because you delivered good results. So growth in top line, growth in margins, growth in backlog as well. So given this exceptional, let's say, result, what can they be the objectives for the next 3 to 5 years, and how you intend to achieve these objectives?
Yes, I think that we worked the last couple of years to put in place, all the pieces in order to be efficient and to be in the right position in the market. What we have to do now, and so this is our view for the future, is to work strongly on what we put in place, and so to work on the efficiency between the phases, and to work on the market where we are, and the new opportunities. As I said, the market is stronger, the new opportunities are there. We are in a good position, so we have to push forward, doing what we know we can do well.
Yeah, totally agree. You're really well positioned to, seize all the opportunities the market can offer. Of course, if you had the support of the financial market, so the stock exchange would be an easier way, to accelerate the growth. So speaking of an investment point of view, what do you think ESPE would be a good investment opportunity, especially in the French market, for French investors? Why do you think they should invest in ESPE?
Let's say that if you look at the value of the stock compared to the results we are delivering, and thinking about the future perspective that I talked about, I think that the numbers are pretty clear. We are working on solid ground, and we will keep doing it. So I believe that it's pretty easy to read between the numbers and see that the opportunity is there.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Honestly, I'm really looking forward to see all your achievements from now on. So thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you all. See you for the next interview. Bye. Thank you.